Welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture, we're going to reform our registration form and creating our registration function. So, fastly, let's start. Okay. So here we have to go to register.php. We have to add here an input of the username and create our function. Okay. So let's go to register.php. We have here this form group. We have firstly to add here a method of post. So, and let's create the username field. So this is a link actually of the register button. So we have to make it button type submit. So let's edit this button. So let's remove this and let's make it type submit and let's name it register etn. Okay, now we have to add the username after the email address. Okay, so here we have the email address. We have to create here div with class of form row. It's actually a bootstrap class. We have also to add here a class of call mdsex. Okay, we have to create a couple of it. So let's repeat it actually, and let's put the form label inside it. We have to put the form group actually outside the form row here and close it here. Okay, so let's remove this. Let's get the email address inside the first one. Okay, and the second one we have to repeat this but for the username. Okay, so here we'll make this type text. We'll name this input username. The placeholder will be the username. Actually the label would be the username. Okay, let's see this. Refresh, and there we go. We have the username actually. Okay, let's name it. Let's put our names for our inputs. So here we have to add name of first name, and here name last name. Actually here name email, name username, and here password. Actually here would be name confirm password. Okay, now we are ready to go. Let's go to our function and create our registration function. Okay, it's a name function registration. Let's name it validate, because we are using this to validate our form. Okay, form validation actually. Okay, so here most of you will make if maybe a set post register button or submit. Okay, but we have to do another one. Okay, this one is not working with Internet Explorer, so we have to make our application working with all browsers. Okay, Safari, Chrome, Firefox, and Internet Explorer also. Okay, so I'm going to use the global variable of server and pass the form request inside it. Okay, so we make server request method. Okay, and we have to check it if is it post. We have to do something. Okay, so now we have to select our inputs inside our function. So let's say first name equals, we have to clean it with our this function. Okay, to escape strings, let's say clean HTML, and let's say here post first name, and let's make, I think, 4 more of it. Here we have, select this word and click Ctrl D, it will select the next one. Okay, so let's say last, first name, last name. Also we have email. Also we have here our I don't know, maybe username. Okay, we have here also the password and the confirmed password also. So let's say confirm password. Okay, now we have selected our inputs. In the next lecture we're going to make this function works. We have to validate our form and we will create very cool stuff. Okay, so see you in the next lecture, my student, and goodbye.